Hey, I'm Shambhavi Anand, voice of Scottish Public School. Presently, I'm serving as the school captain for the batch of 2026 to 2027. It's about 11 years I have been studying in this school, and it almost feels like home. Every teacher here has guided, supported, and mentored in every step of my life, and every moment here has helped me to reach this position, and I'm very grateful for that. Scottish Public School has always taught us that a true leadership begins with truth, grows through service, and is sustained by discipline. And that's what our motto says: truth, service, and discipline. In my passage of time, I have learned valuable experiences and expensive lessons, from discussions to debate, which have trained me and created a confident version of myself and improved my communication skill, moreover, speaking style. From benches to the blackboard in the classroom, students at Scottish not only just learn how to score grades, but also they really learn how to grow each day. Skill development, something like this, which train us and teaches us, which defines the true meaning of compassion and leadership. To my supercalifragilisticexpialidocious humans of Scottish fam, it's absolutely good to do a mistake. In fact, better you do a mistake. If mistakes makes you responsible, they should be most welcome. It's not bad to even sometime fails. That's completely okay. But the part is to continue. The part is to dare, to understand the inner spirit of yourself, to believe in yourself is something great. As a school captain, I would ensure that every voice is being heard and will hold this highest post of responsibility with dignity, courage, and gratitude. Not just by giving instructions, but by setting an example through my own action. I'll inspire and ignite every single personality here to dream high and achieve high. Lastly, wherever I go, from the corridors to the campus of Scottish, every memory, every friend, every teacher, and every moment will remind me of my golden days that I shall never be able to forget in my life. Thank you.